This is our second video in the series of tutorials on how we can use ChatGPT for business analytics problems. We discussed already that the free version of ChatGPT which I use does not allow you to upload data, so we'll have to switch to Cloud AI for this in our following videos. But still, you can use ChatGPT to help you potentially identify relevant videos. In our first case, we have been working with a dataset on customer churn, which you can find in the link in the description to this video, which includes a variable on customers who left the bank, who exited, and a number of variables which can potentially help us predict these customer churn. So we included things like credit score, age, gender, and so on. So let's now try us to find out which additional variables can be added to this problem, because potentially you never have the full list of variables, and ChatGPT has access to thousands of previous studies on customer churn, including banking sector. And what you can do, you can find maybe some super important variables which you have missed and add it to your list of variables. So in the first video, we have asked ChatGPT to help us identify which of these included covariates are potentially relevant for customer churn. Now we'll work in the same conversation, so please make sure that you also check the first video and just ask directly what additional variables can be included for this customer churn problem in business analytics. So let's proceed to the next prompt, and this is about potentially 5 extra variables which may be easy to obtain, and at the same time they are likely to have a large effect on customer churns. So let's copy it and add it to the same conversation with ChatGPT. So now I can insert it here, and after a few seconds we get the answer. Of course, you understand that you never have full data. You can always get something better, some additional variables. And when you just start working with the data, it may not be obvious. Like for your business problem, like in this case, like customer churn in a bank, you still may want to consult AI, what would be included in other models that use bank customer churn, and try to get this additional data, because the more data you have, if it's relevant, the better will be your model, of course. So here they talk about customer satisfaction score, complaint history, if they complain often or not, probably it will negatively affect probability of staying with this bank. Number of interactions with the customer service, again, how actively they depend on our customer service. Potentially some changes in life, like marriage or divorce, or maybe moving to some other place, and potentially again the activity of our competitors, like what they offer, what are their promotions. Of course, it's like a short list. You can ask for additional variables, but again, it's always good to have double check your knowledge, right? What you know about this topic, and think about additional variables which you can add. These and other great examples are coming from our best-selling course Quantitative Methods in Excel with ChatGPT and Cloud AI. So if you'd like to get access to the data and get certified by Udemy, please check the link in the description. Thank you!